Hello everyone. In this video I am going to tell you how to generate a PDF by using Revit. This is the model I have created. This is a 4-story hotel building and I am going to generate the PDF for the level 1 or the ground floor plans. Okay, this is the plan view I have selected. To generate a PDF, first you have to click this view tab. In the view tab there's a button sheet. If you pose your cursor on that sheet button, there are few instructions here. You can use these instructions for your knowledge. Okay, when I click on the sheet button, these are the pre-uploaded sheets to my Revit. Yeah, these are the pre-uploaded title blocks to my Revit project. If you need to upload a new one, you can click this load button. These are the title blocks I have in my PC. Okay, I will upload this one. This is A3 portrait. Okay, when I click open, it's uploaded. You can see that. Okay, here I select this one. This is the newly updated one. Okay, this is the title block I have uploaded, and we can change the details on this title block by here. This is the project name. I can edit this one as proposed 4-story hotel building at Verigama, and this is the sheet name. You can see the sheet name at this project browser. These are the sheets, name of sheets here. This is the one I am using here. It's unnamed. If we rename this one, I put it as ground floor. You can see that the name of the sheet is changing here. Okay, these are the details I have entered, and if you need more details you can add those details. Okay, now this is the title block I am using, and I am using this level 1. How can I select that level 1 or 2 for the ground floor? For that you can see this one in elevation mode. You can see that our ground floor is level 1, so I select this level 1, and for my usage I have generated another dependent level for that level 1, and I'm using that dependent level 1 for the PDF. Oh, how I did it? For that, okay, again I will delete this one. Press and drag this. Okay, now drag that level onto the PDF. Now, not PDF, into the title block. Okay, now this is the view I have to edit to generate my PDF, and I will delete or hide the unnecessary things for the PDF. Okay, I will hiding these grid lines, and these boundary was also I'm not using here. Hide all those things. Why I hide those things without deleting? It means those things may be useful in another users as shop drawings and other drawings. So I hide those things. This is the ground floor plan view I have generated, and this is the view I needed. I crop the view. Okay, if you need how to crop a view, if you need to know, you can see the video link in my description. Okay, this is the view I'm going to generate in my PDF. Okay, all dimensions are here, and you can make those dimensions and other details very carefully and more detailed than this one. This is just to teach you how to generate a PDF. Okay, now it's finished, and then go to file, and there are two ways of generating PDF in Revit. First one is export, then PDF. This is the settings window for PDF export setup. You can edit those things, and you can select the sheet size. It's better to select the size. Same with the title block we used. Here I used A3 size. Exporting. Click that export button, and in this window there are two options. Turn off temporary hide isolated mode in the listed view before exporting. It means you can remember that I make hide few things in this view. Those are not necessary for our shop drawings or PDF. And if you need, you can turn off that option we did. The next option is leave the temporary hide mode on and export. It means the export may be same as the newly view. It means the unnecessary things are not visible in this view. Okay, I select that one with the temporary hide for that export. Okay, now it's exporting. Okay, let's check that document uh, in that folder. This one is the PDF I generated. Okay, let's see. This is the PDF I generated. You can see that it's same as our title block view. Yeah, this is the way of generating a PDF using Revit. And this is the second method of generating a PDF. Previously we used the export. This one is print, then print, and then PDF. This is the window we have edited in the previous method also. Okay, before printing PDF, we can see the preview under this option, print preview. Okay, you can see the PDF we are going to generate. So if there are any changes, we can close and then we can edit this one, or otherwise we can print. This is the next window, and we can edit the name, and we can select the path and few options there. You can refer those things, and then okay, then leave the temporary hide views. Okay, I'm using, you can see the generated PDF here. This is the newly generated one. This one is the previous one. All are same. And if there are any question, you can comment, and I will answer all the questions you have. Thank you.